Never say no auto, we say yes!
You are going to love the 2018 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, alloy wheels, roof rails, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Come see us at Never Say No Auto in Springfield on Glenstone across from Evangel, or in Bolivar, 1 block south of Walmart.
Never say no auto.